Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Android fragment and lifecycle methods. Android fragment is part of activity. It is also known as sub-activity. There can be more than one fragment in an activity. Fragment represent multiple screens inside one activity. The lifecycle of Android fragment is like the activity lifecycle. There are 12 lifecycle methods for fragment. Number 1. On attach. It is called only once when it is attached with activity. Number 2. On create bundle. It is used to initialize the fragment. Number 3. On create view layout in flatter view groups bundle. Create and return view hierarchy. Number 4. On activity created bundle. It is invoked after the completion of on create method. Number 5. On view state restored bundle. It provides information to the fragment that all the saved states of fragment view hierarchy has been restored. Number 6. On start makes the fragment visible. Number 7. On resume makes the fragment interactive. Number 8. On pause is called when fragment is no longer interactive. Number 9. On stop is called when fragment is no longer visible. Number 10. On destroy view allow the fragment to clean up resources. Number 11. On destroy allow the fragment to do final cleanup or fragment state. Number 12. On detach it is called immediately prior to the fragment no longer being associated with its activity. Do subscribe our channel and keep learning with ThinkNEXT. Thank you.